In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the default email address in Salesforce. If you're managing customer support or sales inquiries through Salesforce, setting a default email address can streamline your team's communication efforts and ensure consistency. Let's jump right in and make sure your Salesforce setup is optimized for this task. To start, head over to your Salesforce dashboard and look for the setup icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to open the setup menu. Once you're in the setup area, you'll want to navigate to the search bar. This is a handy tool that can save you a lot of time. Type in email to case to bring up the relevant options. Email to case is a fantastic feature that allows incoming emails to automatically generate cases, helping you keep track of customer interactions efficiently. Next, you'll find yourself looking at the email to case settings. Here, you need to locate your routing address configuration. This is where the magic happens in setting your default email address. Click on the Edit button to make the necessary changes. Editing your routing address will allow you to customize how your emails are managed and ensure they're routed correctly. Now, the crucial part of this setup is to ensure that the checkbox labeled "Reply from this address" is enabled. This might seem like a small detail, but it's incredibly important. When this box is checked, anytime an agent replies to an email from a case, the From field will automatically default to your team inbox. This means that all outgoing communications will appear consistent and professional, coming from the same email address instead of individual team members' addresses. It's an essential step to maintain a unified communication front. Remember, having a default email address set up correctly in Salesforce not only creates consistency, but also helps avoid confusion for your customers. They'll always know who they're communicating with and won't be puzzled by emails coming from different team members. Moreover, it simplifies the process for your agents, as they don't have to manually select the team inbox each time they reply to a case email. As a tip, make sure your team is aware of this setup change. Communication is key, so a quick team meeting or a notification can go a long way in keeping everyone on the same page. It's also a good idea to periodically check these settings to ensure everything is functioning as intended, especially if there are updates or changes in your team structure. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can effectively use a default email address in Salesforce, ensuring your team's communication is both efficient and professional. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy Salesforce managing.